Hello everyone, I'm Andrea Digital Tech, and in this video, I want to show you something I've never done before. I'm pretty excited about this. I've installed Apple's brand new update, iOS 18. I usually wait for the stable and official release from Apple to avoid slowdowns or other issues and to enjoy the features to the fullest. But this time, I broke my rule just for you, so I'd really appreciate it if you could give this video a like. I decided to try the beta version on my beloved iPhone 12 Pro, my secondary phone, using it as a sort of test subject, hoping the system holds up well without any complications. For this reason, I don't recommend anyone to install it, especially not on your main phone, just to avoid risking performance issues. The installation is very straightforward. The update is quite substantial, taking up 691 GB and requiring about 30 to 50 minutes to complete, including both download and installation. The first thing you'll notice is the new wallpaper, which gives the iPhone 12 Pro a fresh look. It also includes all the major new features that Apple has introduced, such as the redesign of the Photos app. I'm still getting used to it, but it now allows you to catalog and view photos with new filters and viewing options, completely changing the menu compared to iOS 17. You can now find your photos based on people, animals, places, or photos you've marked as favorites. Another important feature is on the home screen, where you can now position apps and widgets however you like. This allows you to organize each panel based on your preferences and needs. You just select the app you want and move it wherever you think it fits best: top, bottom, right, left. You no longer have to follow any rules. It's all up to you, and it doesn't stop there. With iOS 18, you can customize the theme of your apps with your preferred colors. By accessing the menu, you can change the appearance of the icons, choosing between a dark or light mode, or selecting your favorite color and shade that matches your background. I personally come from Android. I honestly see more and more similarities between the two with these new customizations, and if done well, I think it's just an advantage. Although I wasn't completely convinced at first. I liked the way Apple configured the phone in a certain way, a kind of standard, giving me a sense of uniqueness and stability. But over the past few days, I've realized I was wrong. Everything is well integrated and organized, working very well on this iPhone 12 Pro, even in beta. Moving on, another significant update is in the Control Center, which now offers many more customization options. The screens are fully customizable, and the buttons have a more rounded and pleasing design. You can scroll through different panels to quickly access main features like the music player, data connections, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or any other functions you're interested in. Plus, you can add new panels and place controls wherever you like, creating customized combinations based on your needs. Additionally, after installing the update, I found the Password app already installed. This is a very interesting app as it gathers all our passwords, passkeys, and Wi-Fi connections, acting as a central hub for our security keys, making them organized and easily accessible. Of course, it's secured with Face ID, so no one can access it without our permission. Another cool feature is that it allows you to share keys with anyone you want, like a family member, friend, or trusted person. Moving on, another important privacy update with iOS 18 allows you to lock all applications with Face ID. This means that if you lend your phone to someone, they won't be able to access the apps and information you want to keep private without your permission. Additionally, you can make certain apps invisible and retrieve them in the app library or the hidden apps folder, keeping everything protected from prying eyes. Another major update that iOS 18 brings is the introduction of Apple Intelligence, which integrates AI features, offering new and useful functions that revolutionize interaction with the iPhone and Siri. Unfortunately, Apple Intelligence is only available on the iPhone 15 Pro and not on previous models. This means my iPhone 12 Pro didn't get this update. I'm quite disappointed about this because those who want this new feature have to upgrade to the latest models, leaving behind others that are still very capable. Besides this, there are many other updates, such as improvements to the calculator, updates to the Journal app, enhancements to Apple Pay, and much more that truly expand and improve the functionalities of the Apple system. These updates offer new ways to interact with your phone and simplify certain aspects of your life. This is an update I'm really excited about, and I couldn't wait to share it with you. I'll definitely be making another video to explore the best features of iOS 18 in more detail. I'm also impressed with how well the iPhone 12 Pro handles the system, even in its beta version, though I've noticed a significant drop in battery life and some occasional overheating. Keep in mind that since this is not the official version, there are various bugs, so I don't recommend installing it just yet. It's better to wait for the official release in September. That's all for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a free like and subscribe to the channel for future tech updates. See you next time.